Oh la la! Today we have something different here, huh? I guess a little repair going on. But I don't think it will stop people to work. And cardio is first. This machine is so much fun. And let me see what we can do with it. First of all, we tied up our feet here, and then here we go. It's a normal rolling, and then let me show you different angles. Well, I guess it's the best angle I can find, so we can do normal rolling. Then we can do lower rolling and go this way. Then we go on the sides, working on our ups, on the sides. Then we can turn the hands and working on the biceps area and triceps. Oh, feels good. And also even upper body. Going forward your nose. It's actually absolutely incredible what you can do here. I always say gym is a fun. I personally absolutely love it. Alright, I guess now we're going to move a little bit to the weight area and do a little bit our arms. One machine will kill it all. While one side of the gym is under construction, on another side, people really working hard. Alright, like I said, this one is going to kill all the upper back. All the upper, including your arms and back and shoulders. I choose the weight, I can move. Oh, it feels good. I can keep going up to 20 times, but I think for video it's probably could be too long to keep you that long, so I'm going to try to show a little different angle. Alright, let me get up again, and I'm just going to show you a few more different angle. Stretching is good, and you can do up to 20. No rushing. Keep your elbows not completely rested. Oh, it feels good. Okay, I think at this point it's better to stop because you've seen it already. Alright, I think gym time today was very simple. We had a rolling machine. We exercise a little bit on the machine that kills absolutely everything. It's behind me right now. And at this point, all I can say, I can wish you amazing, beautiful day. And thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. And I will see you next video.